Hey everybody, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So as you can see, it is July, so that means it is our weekly check-in. So this is the first week of July and I'm super excited because I think I killed it. I always say I killed it, but you know, here lately I have not. But anyways, so be sure to go and subscribe down below and let me know how you are doing this week. Also, you know that I am doing a giveaway with my good friend Miss Callie Budget here on YouTube. She also has an Instagram. So we have been promoting this collaboration giveaway for almost 2 weeks. You have until Saturday, so make sure you go and enter because Saturday is the deadline and we will be announcing a winner hopefully that weekend. And you do not want to miss, like, just look at this. This is everything that you're going to win from my part of the giveaway, but you have to watch her part of the giveaway to see what she is going to be giving away, which is super, super great, you guys. Also, I am doing a Q&A sometime next week, so I've been getting a ton of questions, whether it's budgeting, my personal life, wedding, nursing, anything like that. So if you want to leave a comment down below, ask me any questions you want, and I will answer it truthfully. And yeah, so that is about it. So let's get on with the weekly check-in. All right, so the weeks are going to, or the days we're going to be covering is the 2nd through the 8th. Now you can see that I had this really pretty blue kit, and this is from Temperance XOXO Designs off of Etsy, and she does have a YouTube also, so I will link everything down below. And she's amazing also. And this is like a Tiffany blue, so super pretty because blue is my favorite color. So I'm just going to zoom y'all in just a little bit so y'all can see. All right, so going on the 2nd, we are going to be doing our no spins for right now. So our no spins for the first 3 days was the 2nd. And that's it. I'm just going to flip y'all over and then we're going to cover the other no spins that we did. So we did the 2nd, the 5th, the 7th, and then the 8th. So we have 4 no spins, you guys, and that is super good. This month, I'm going to try to do, let's just do a challenge. So I'm going to like zoom y'all out. Let's do a challenge. So how many days is there? There's 31 days. I want to have, I don't know, let's say 15 to 20 no spins in July. So cross your fingers that we can do it because this whole week right here, I'm on vacation. So I need a lot of willpower to not spend anything. So maybe I'll just not spend anything on these weeks and just splurge on this one. So we're going to do 15 to 20 no spins this month. And I challenge y'all to do the same with me. All right. So on the 3rd, which is 4th of July Eve, me and my sister-in-law, we went and got my fiance, which is her brother, a grill because he's been wanting a grill forever and his birthday is at the end of July. So we decided to go in halves, and then her the other sisters went in halves with us too. So she did give us, I think we got $40 back from the other 2 sisters. So, but I did swipe my card for $100 at Lowe's. And then his sister spent $100, and then his other 2 sisters gave us back $20 each. So we got $40 back, but still, I did swipe my card for $100. So that is what I wrote down. And that is it. So he loves it. It's like the King Grillers or something from Lowe's. And it has an attached smoker and everything. It was like $167, but we also did get him a cover. So I think everything came out to be like $223, which is fine. I mean, I had the money in my debit card because I haven't really been swiping it lately. So that is a great gift for him for his birthday. And I'm pretty sure I'll be buying him something else because I'm just that kind of person. I'm a gift giver. I rather give gifts than receive them. So we spent $100 at Lowe's, or I did. All right, so moving on to Saturday, which was 4th of July, we went grocery shopping because our plans kind of changed Friday night, so we had to improvise, and we just cooked out at our house. with his family, his sisters, their significant others, their kids, and then his dad came over and cousins and everything. So we just had a big party at our house because I was actually on call that day or that night, and thankfully I did not get called in. Thankfully everybody stayed home. All right, so for gas we spent $15 as of right now, and I'm pretty sure that I can make it last and not spend any more because I am on night shift now when you're watching this. So I will not be needing any gas money because I will be pretty much sleeping. And then Walmart, we went grocery shopping and I spent all $50 of what I had left. I usually have enough money left over from groceries to carry myself over to like our sinking funds and everything, but I spent all the $50. So we spent $50 at Walmart, and this is mostly for the 4th of July because we had a lot of stuff that we could cook over the week for the week and everything. Anyway, so on the 5th we had no spend, and then the last day was the 6th, and the only thing that I bought was from Amazon. So I have been needing a password journal, and it's going to be kept up, locked up, safe and everything. So I've been using like my notes on my cell phone. You know, my cell phone's probably going to like die eventually, and then I'm going to lose everything, and then I'm going to forget because I can't remember my passwords for like 30 of my websites that I use, and being that I'm a new homeowner, so I have like HOA membership, I have to change over like lights and everything, you know, it's crazy. So I decided to go and buy a Amazon password, and it should be in hopefully today or tomorrow, and that was $10. So I'm super excited about that, and let me know if you want to flip through for that. If not, then that's fine. But anyway, so that is it. That is pretty much everything that I spent. So let's just go over real quick. So the Lowe's, we spent $100. On Saturday, we spent $15 in gas, and then Walmart was $50. There was a no spend on the 5th, $10 for Amazon for that password journal, and then 7th and 8th was both no spends. So super exciting, you guys. All right, so we're moving on to the weekly check-in, and this layout is just so pretty. I just need to get another layout. I do actually have one. There's one that has like the Tiffany boxes that I am hoping to probably lay out in August maybe, but I really want to go visit Tempest XOXO Designs on Etsy again and get some more. All right, so groceries, we spent $50, so I know for sure we have $0 left. Gas, we spent $15, so we should have $25 left. Fun money, we did not spend anything, so we should have $16 left. Cushion, we spent $110, so we should have $20 left. And then sinking funds, we did not spend anything, so that still leaves us at $1,363. All right, you guys, so let's just match up the cash envelopes with our remaining balance. And I really do, I think I said this like last week also, that I really need to make some new cash envelopes for myself, because it's a struggle, you guys. It's very, very old. Can you see it's like ripped? But I love this. All right, so no money in here. That's just my cards, like my Sam cards and everything else. Gas, we should have $25, so that's $25 right there. And then fun money, we should have 16, 10, 15, and 16. All right, you guys, so that is it. So be sure to comment down below a question that you want to ask me in the upcoming Q&A, and let me know how you're doing also. And then don't forget to enter our giveaway, because, you know, it's going to be a great one. Like, I literally want to keep everything that I am giving away, but I can't. So this is all for you, so make sure you go and check that out, and then be sure to subscribe and hit that notification and let me know that you are a new subscriber, because I would like to say hi to you guys. And if you have a channel, let me know, because I will go and support you guys in any way possible. Anyways, I hope you have a great week, and I will see you on Saturday with the sinking funds and budget stuffing. Can't wait for that. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.